Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today, girl, we are going to be doing a New Year's Eve 2021 get ready with me. Ooh, I'm super excited. If y'all haven't seen my Christmas get ready with me, that was the last video, so go check that video out if you end up liking this video, okay, because it's kind of the same thing. Okay, so we're gonna do our makeup, we're gonna do our hair, and then we're gonna do an outfit reveal for New Year's 2021. Okay, how is y'all's New Year's going? Today is the 1st, so how was y'all New Year's Eve? How's y'all's New Year's Eve day going? Okay, what plans do y'all have for 2021? If you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. Okay, so we got the gray outfit going on because New Year's Eve, girl, we're gonna be wearing gray. Okay, I'm super excited about it. So yeah, we gotta do the makeup to match it, and I think I'm gonna wear my like fresh new bob. That review will be coming out soon too, coming this year, I guess. Now I was gonna say next year, but we're already in 2021, so it's gonna be coming up soon, girl. Just wait for it. Okay, so yeah, we're probably gonna wear a little bob or whatever with a cute little, very cute dress, and y'all are gonna see that. Okay, so let's go get our makeup done. So we are in my restroom right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup look. I took so long trying to find a freaking palette with a gray shade. I had to go through all my old makeup, but I did find one, so let's go ahead and get into this look. Fresh cut, I'm first lady. Okay, this is my New Year's outfit. Here we go. Super cute. And the shoes, you can see that. Okay. Really cute. I love the back. The back is my all-time favorite. With the necklace and the earrings. Okay, new year, new you. Period. Got the little cut because the dress is a statement, so I don't want to overpower the dress with a crazy hairstyle, so I just did a simple bob. Okay. Very good, easy. Very easy outfit. Okay guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.